What's up, guys? It's Nathan Kiani here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an NR 2003 paint scheme. Alright, so first you're going to want to start off with like the ugliest template you can possibly find. So I got this 2006 Ford here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to paint it a solid color, right? Because that's the only thing I know how to do. So let's choose a sponsor. Let's say I want to do Trump because Trump is funny because America is bad. So we're going to look up Trump logo. And since it's Trump, we can do his airline because that failed because Trump is bad. There we go. Alright. Just copy paste that. You can just get rid of the white outline. Leave a little bit of pixels there. It doesn't really matter. It'll look bad anyways. So we can see the main color. This is gold. So we're going to put the side skirts and the spoiler in gold because that's the only thing I know how to do. First we're going to find that rear spoiler. There we go. We got that. There we go. Alright, your scheme is about 90% done at this point already. Wasn't it that easy? Yeah, you should have learned this. Alright, so take notes. So now you're going to find the ugliest number font possible. So personally I'm going to use Papyrus because it looks really bad. So just type in a really bad number, like 32 is pretty bad. Alright, let's oversize it always. $32. There we go. Alright, your scheme's about 90% done. Just copy paste that logo onto the hood. Oh, that looks perfect. Alright, your last step to making your authentic Nathan Kiani scheme. You're going to want to put a really unfunny quote right here on the back of the car. So you're going to find your Ekensden's Grotesque Bold, because that's the only font I use. So we're going to put Chris Benoit, WWE, Canada, free health care. Max is homestead. Alright. Perfect. Let's make it a little bit smaller just so it can fit on the car. There we go. Alright. That is your 100% authentic Nathan Kiani paint scheme. Hope you enjoyed this video.